Hi everybody, happy Monday. We are talking today about degree audit. We hope you're doing well so far with this remote semester. My name is Natasha. I'm a GA in the business advising office. And one of the things that we're going to teach you about today with degree audit is how you can kind of manage your own track for graduation right now while you're home. Obviously, you are always welcome and encouraged to reach out to your advisor, but there are definitely some tools that you can utilize yourself while you're not able to pop into our physical office during this unique time that can help you ensure that you're staying on track with the courses you should be taking now, the courses that you will be taking in the fall. So I'm going to walk you through that a little bit, and then I'll show you how to actually log in to your degree audit. Okay, so degree audit, what exactly is that? Your degree audit is a system that outlines each requirement for obtaining your degree. So it will show you what your GEs are, that's your general education requirements, what courses that you need to take within the College of Business and within your major, and as well as what you've taken so far and what you need to complete. So it shows your courses that you've taken up to the point that you're at. You'll see when I walk you through the degree audit what you've completed will have a check mark. And then anything that's an incomplete requirement, you can click on it and it will show you a list of courses that could be used to satisfy that requirement. You can access your degree audit both on and off campus, through your campus net, which is really useful right now that we are, working remotely. So a lot of you might have questions. So we're just going to go through some common questions that are about the degree audit, and then I'll show you how to use it. So your degree audit does not assess any course information prior to 1998, which for most of us probably won't be very relevant. Your certificate programs are not included in your degree audit. So your major will show up, and your minor will show up, but your degree audit, your certificate programs, those won't. Any exceptions that you might have for a course that were approved through your advisor, those will not show up in degree audit as well. And your academic exceptions that are loaded into degree audit will be added after your advisor has received information from the college or department and approval. So if you have a course waive or a petition, that will show up eventually. Okay, so you access your degree audit through CampusNet. So you obviously all know how to get to CampusNet, but I'm going to show you what we can do once we're in there. So we're going to log in. Now we are in CampusNet. So to access your degree audit, you're going to click on your Student tab. Sorry, it's thinking. Once we're in the Student tab, we're going to hit the Degree Audit button. So it's right here. Just click on that. And you're going to want to run a new report. So mine's going to look a little different as a graduate student, but we're going to click right here where it says Current Degree Audit and click Run New Report. Run New Degree Audit. And we're going to continue. So now it's going to show me the degree audit that is up to date as of today. And we click here to view the report. And I'm going to say show all requirements. So this is going to show me, well, first of all, it explains up here at the top, there's a legend for your degree audit. So anything with a check mark means that you've completed that requirement. That course has been taken and that particular credit that you needed, whether that's your general education courses or whatever the category may be, is complete. If you have a check mark and a question mark, that means that you're in progress. So you might be taking the course now, or maybe you're taking it next semester, but it's already on your CampusNet schedule, and the degree audit is already accumulating that, so it knows that you're going to have that. If you have an X, it means you haven't completed that requirement yet. And then if you have a check mark that heads to the right, that means that you have points to the next requirement, and the I with a circle around it shows that you have information that is related to the requirement. and your stoplight says that your requirement has not yet been set up. So we're going to show all requirements. I'm going to scroll down here. As you can see right here, I have a check mark for my level 2 business foundations courses. That means that I have completed them. This whole section right here is fulfilled. So I know that, okay, I'm done with my foundations courses. If I scroll down, I have a check mark and an exclamation point. And that means that I am in the process of earning these credits. They're on my schedule. As you can see, like right now, this one is set for summer and fall. So I haven't taken them yet, but I will be taking them, and those will be satisfied. As a grad student, mine looks a little different. So yours would have your general education courses, what's needed for your major, different electives and things per that course and degree audit that you physically get from your advisor. And I am close to graduation, so most of mine are all filled out with check marks. However, to learn a little bit more about your specific advising degree audit, you can go in to your campus net as we just did, and you can look at what you need. And then if you have any questions additionally, you are encouraged to reach out to your advisor. So right now, our advising staff is working remotely, as you all are as well. And you can make a virtual appointment. So if you go online to business.csuohio.edu, you can schedule with our remote business services, as our last video kind of explained how to do that. And there's definitely information on our social media pages that shows you and walks through how to make that appointment. You can also call our general office service phone number, it's our virtual one, at 216-282-7762, or you can email businessadvising@csuohio.edu, or you can contact your advisor directly. So this link with all this webpage with all of your advisor's contact information is up on the business.csuohio.edu website under the Student Services tab. But for your reference, here you go. This is all the contact information for your advisors.